Social Welfare Minister Paul Lyngdoh on Friday informed that the police are making whole-out efforts to ensure that infamous drug trafficker, identified as Aisha Khatun alias Pahari, is booked under the preventive detention which is provided by Prevention of Illicit Traffic in Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances. When asked that there is not even a single case in East Khasi Hills who has been booked under PITSNDPS, he said that there are 7 cases which are currently being reviewed. Meanwhile, he informed that the various Dorbashnongs of West Shillong have submitted the suggestions on the formation of the Village Defence Party to help in the fight against drugs.
This government that she is now under custody, and all efforts are being made to ensure that she also is booked under preventive detention, which is provided by BITS and DPS. There are 7 cases that are currently being reviewed. We want to ensure that the system is done such that we do our homework very meticulously, that none of those cases fall through because of lack of evidence and so on.
The University of Science and Technology